Far too many times in the industry, I've been told that Easy Off Oven Cleaner will damage your oven. Well, I'm here to disprove that. I'm going to go ahead and start by saying that the oven you are seeing is in fact my oven, and it's freaking nasty. For months and months, if not for the better part of a year, I purposely spilled things inside my oven to make this video. Also, to be completely honest, this pretty much sparked World War III inside my household. My wife did not appreciate it. And yeah, if it wasn't for the Easy Off, there's a chance, a small one, that I might have gotten divorced. I'm just kidding, but I really do appreciate my wife letting me basically destroy our oven for the sake of shooting this video. Like I said in the opener, that I've been told so many times in my career that Easy Off is going to damage the liner of your oven. So where does this come from? One of the areas that this comes from is from the manufacturers themselves. And I can completely understand that they don't want to take any responsibility for you improperly using these products. As you can see in the video, I am wearing gloves, and you most certainly don't want to get it in your eyes. I can also understand that people don't want to use this around their food, and they're thinking to themselves, well, ew, gross, chemicals, I don't want that. If that's your own personal choice, that's fine. But as you'll see as this video progresses, it does a really good job of cleaning your oven. The other place that the whole Easy Off will damage your oven comes from is because we used to use two different types of liners inside of our ovens. One was called catalytic and the other was called pyrolytic, or basically the two different ways that we would allow our oven to clean. As we all know, most of our ovens nowadays are in fact self-cleaning ovens. So what's the difference between catalytic and pyrolytic? Well, catalytic ovens had a special liner, and as long as you ran the oven above a certain temperature at a certain frequency of use, then the oven liner would actually clean itself, kind of similar to the way that the catalytic converter in your car works. Now, to the manufacturer's credit, yes, if you put Easy Off on that type of liner, it will damage your oven. But most all ovens nowadays no longer use the catalytic type of liner. Any modern oven is going to be pyrolytic, meaning that it has a porcelain liner in the cavity here, and it allows the oven to reach temperatures of 900 degrees and literally incinerate the food out from inside your oven. You may have noticed at this point in the video that I'm using a putty knife essentially to clean it. That's perfectly fine. The reason for this is because I went way too aggressive with burning cheese on the bottom of my oven. The other mistake I made here is between cuts essentially. I forgot to put my gloves back on, which you'll see me kind of hold my hands when I realize, oopsie daisy, there it is, I don't have my gloves on. If you are going to use a putty knife or something like that, just make sure it's plastic because a metal one will for sure scratch the inner liner of your oven. So going back to the whole can Easy Off damage your oven liner, the answer is no. Again, we don't use the catalytic style anymore. Everything has a porcelain style or porcelain type enamel on the inside, and that is what Easy Off is designed for. It will never ever, when properly used, damage the inside of your oven. We got to think about this for a second. If Easy Off melted the liner of your oven off, would they still be selling it on the shelves? I highly doubt it. The only time that Easy Off might pose a threat to your oven is if you go ahead and spray it all over the place on the inside, and then you run the actual self-clean cycle on your oven, which again reaches up to like 900 degrees. This can cause a chemical reaction and might have some adverse effects on the liner, but the instructions on the can itself tell you in bold print, do not do that. The only real downfall for me when using Easy Off to clean my oven is that it can be a little bit fumey. However, they do make a fume-free version of it, which it's not completely fume-free, but it's definitely not as aggressive as the classic formula. So at the end of the day, can you use Easy Off to clean your oven? Absolutely. From where I started to this right here, I'd say that it does a pretty fantastic job. Follow the instructions for use, and it's perfectly safe for your oven.